Hi, my name is Melissa, and this is my hobonichi haul for 2023. So this one says, a calendar is filled with numbers, days that have passed, and days still to come. It's funny, of all of them, the only one we are living is today. The only day we can reach out and touch is today. I do like that quote. So this is my first time opening it. So let's see what I got. Oh, I didn't get that many. I only got, if I remember right, 2 journals and then this as well. Oh my god. It's so cute. I love it. Okay. Oh, and I got 2 pens. Awesome. Okay, do not mind the dirty desk. This is just like my first time filming, so it's a little rough. I originally got a mount, but the mount isn't working with this desk, so yeah, things aren't working out for me, but it's fine. I still wanted to record this. These are my products of the year that I bought with Hobonichi. I got this photo album that people have been using as a holder for their sticker sheets, and I love that idea. Even though I don't have many sticker sheets, I do have a lot of like loose leaf stickers just everywhere, so this would be perfect. And then I got this case for my new Han. So here's the journals. My first one is a Weeks Mega. So this is my 3rd year using Hobonichi, and my first year I did do a Weeks Mega, but then I felt like I was wasting the pages. So this year for 2023 I decided to use just a regular Weeks, and it did work out. I didn't really use those many pages, but I ended up doing something completely different with my whole journaling system. So this next year for 2024, I do want to try a Weeks Mega, and I just thought this pink is just so cute and it would work. It would match perfectly with the Han that I got. So that's kind of my thought process with all of that. Okay, and then this is the big boy. This is the first year they dropped a Han. This is gonna be my big planner that is gonna be pretty hard to carry around because it is pretty chunky. But I'm so excited because I've never had a cousin or anything. The only Hobonichi that I've really had was the Weeks. So I'm excited for something new, and we'll see how it goes. Plus, this design is just the cutest thing ever with the gold 2024. So these are my 2 for now. I do have a couple of journals that I'm thinking of adding on, but those aren't Hobonichi. Okay, so I did want to actually open them. I opened this one and it was pretty rough. So this stickiness on the plastic is pretty hard to take off. But let's take a look at the Han. All that, and then we have more months, like just another way of showing the months. Then these are the weeklies. Beautiful. And then these are the dailies. So those were my main reasons, because I know a cousin is like this where it has all these types of stuff. So that's exactly why I decided to get this bigger one, the A5 size, because A6 would be smaller and it wouldn't have the weeklies, and I really wanted the weeklies. I know I do have this week's, but then I'm gonna do them completely different, where this weekly will be more of like just how my day-to-day is, kind of explaining it in simple terms, like the fun stuff, and then this Hobonichi Weeks Mega is going to be more of my to-dos. So that's kind of the difference between how I'm making these journals, where I do have dailies that I don't have to actually write out. Idea is to just make this kind of my diary, because I do have a diary for this year, but it's not hobonichi or anything. It's just like Stalogy that has, you know, enough pages for everyday use. This is my Han. Very cute. And then now let us open this Weeks. Okay, this week's Mega feels absolutely amazing. I'm so not used to having this many pages in a week's. It's been so long and I love it. Like, whenever there's a week's Mega, it just feels like you have so many pages to work with. Like, no matter what happens, you could do whatever you want. And then also these, you know, weekly pages are just perfect. These are my 2 journals from Hobonichi that I'm very excited to get into at the start of next year. These are the freebies of Hobonichi, since they usually give freebies if you do get like a journal with them. So I got this, and it's such a pretty color. I did end up using last year's pen, and this one I'm very excited to use as well. And also you can refill it. So now I do just want to open this real quick and see which one I got. Okay. Oh, okay. So I did get the yellow one. The How Are You. I wasn't really picky with the ones I was going to get. So it's so tiny. I didn't realize that. Like, when I looked at other videos of their Hobonichi unboxings, I didn't realize, like, they're literally so tiny. My hand's already small. So that's pretty much my haul for 2024. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and kind of explaining what my life is right now and what my plans are for Hobonichi stuff. Okay, I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Bye-bye.